I am here at LaserAway. This is my fourth time. I have to get undressed, but let's just see how this goes. I just wanted to tell you that they keep the rooms pretty cold. It's super sterile and super clean, and there's a TV playing stuff so you can watch TV. Very easygoing experience. The nurses are so nice. And I just feel like if you're thinking about doing this, they're not paying me to say this, you should do it, okay? Because it's a game changer. I like to drip in gold. I want to drip in gold while I'm getting my laser hair removal. They put on these safety glasses so that when they do the laser, it doesn't ruin your eyesight. So let's get into this. They're going to do the bikini. I can't show you because obviously I don't even know how I would hold the camera, but we're going to do the bikini. Okay, I'm done. They left a little cortisone and aloe if you have any areas that are like sensitive. You can put it on for healing. But I gotta tell you, it didn't hurt at all today. It was super easy breezy. So I don't know if that means I'm dead inside or if that means, I don't know what that means, but it didn't hurt. So that was a good thing. Now all that's left to do is just get my clothes back on and hop out of here, honey. So this is the fourth time that I've gotten it done. And I will say that the first time I got it done, I did notice less hair to shave in my underarm area and my bikini line. And so now this is the fourth. I have two more until I'm completely finished. But I have to say, it gets easier each week, the anxiety, and it didn't hurt at all today. And it's a very painless experience. So if you're thinking about doing this, I just say it's good to go. And I'll let you know after my sixth if the hair's gone and it works. But so far so good, honey, and I'm glad I did it.